Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the Mega Recruitment 2021 guys. So here the assistant associate as well as the professor and the lecturer vacancies are there from the multiple colleges. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the different recruitment notifications guys. So here the few notifications require only the post graduation and few notifications require the PG plus UG Senate also. And few colleges, one university is providing the 30,000 rupees per month and a few colleges are following the UGC pay scale. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here the first college is MITS, Madanapalli Institute of Science and Technology. So it is a UGC autonomous college guys. So in this one there is a special recruitment drive for the academic year 2021 to 22. So we will check down the notifications here. The first one, assistant professor in the CSE department, and coming to the qualification, MTech with first division in appropriate discipline from a reputed university, and the experience required is minimum 5 years of teaching experience, and the salary as per the AICTE norms. The interested candidates and the eligible one may apply to the jobs@mits.ac.in. And coming to the next one, assistant professor in the physics, chemistry, maths and English, and it is a special recruitment drive. The qualification is MSc or MA with first division in appropriate discipline from a reputed university and experience with minimum 5 years of teaching experience after the PG, and the salary as per the AICTE norms, and the interested candidates may send your resume to the jobs@mits.ac.in. And the next one is assistant professor in MBA. Here the qualification is MBA with first division in appropriate discipline from a reputed university. So after the MBA, minimum 7 years of teaching experience must be there, and the salary as per the AICTE norms, and the interested candidates may send your resumes to the jobs@mits.ac.in. Fine. And whoever the shortlisted candidates are there, all the shortlisted candidates will be informed about the interview dates by phone and through the email also. So all the interested candidates, you may submit your updated profile to the mail ID, that is jobs@mits.ac.in. Okay guys. So these are the details regarding this recruitment here, and here the contact numbers are also provided in its official website. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, you may contact these numbers guys. So it is a one notification. And coming to the second notification is from Pune University. So from the Department of English, and this notification came on 28th May 2021. And here applications are invited for the assistant professor contractual basis in the Department of English. So the consolidated salary, that is 30,000 rupees per month, and the duration is up to 31st May 2022. You have to work, and the total 3 number of posts are there under the open SC and the OBC category. Single post are there. Subject is English. Qualification 55% marks at MA. English along with NET or SET or PhD as per the rules, and the desirable qualifications are excellent communication skills in English and the subject knowledge. Okay, and here the special notes are also given. 5% relaxation will be there to the based upon the reserved category. Fine. So applicants should be able to teach courses in the areas of English literature, early moderns and comparative literature, cultural studies. Okay, and you have to mention your mobile number and email ID in the application for the further communication. Applicants should send their application along with the complete biodata and the attested scanned copies of all necessary documents or certificates to the head of the Department of English, SPPU, by email only, HODenglish@uni.pune.ac.in. And in the email you have to mention the subject line is application for the post of assistant professor contract year, and the last date of receiving the application is 15th June 2021 till 5 p.m. And here the candidates are required to attend for the online interview, whoever selected. Fine. So it is a notification from the Pune University. And coming to the next one, it is the Hislop Junior College. So here few lecturer vacancies are there. So check out guys, it is not looking very clear, but no problem, I will read. So teacher in English or Marathi, so one post is there. For this one, the qualification required is MA in English or MA in Marathi with B.Ed, and the junior clerk, lab assistant, lab attendant as well as a peon also required. The last date for submitting the application is 19th June 2021. So interested candidates may send your applications to the Secretary, Hislop Education Society, HES office, care of Hislop College, Temple Road, Civil Lines, Nagpur. Okay. So shortlisted candidates will be informed about the interview schedule, guys. Fine. And the supervisor post is also there, one post, and the qualification required is PG graduate, postgraduate with 5 years of experience. Fine. So these are all the details regarding this notification, guys. And while coming to the second one is Suryadatta Institute of Business Management and Technology. So it is the full-time faculty positions here. So professor associate as well as the assistant professor vacancies are there. So here the number of vacancies are also mentioned. So for the assistant professor category, PhD candidates will be preferred. That means they did not mention that it is mandatory. The PhD candidates will be preferred. And the pay scales as per the SPPU and as per the service rules of SEF. And you have to apply within 20 days of sending your detailed resume, color photo and the self-certified photocopy of all relevant documents by post to the director HR and admin SEF, or else you may email. Okay, it's better to email guys, career@suryadatta.edu.in. So for more details or else the faculty application form, you may visit the official website of this one, that is suryadatta.org. And applications are also invited for the visiting faculty, adjunct faculty as well as the guest faculty also. Fine. So these are the details regarding this one, guys. And while coming to the next one, so it is Guru Tegh Bahadur College of Education. It is affiliated to Punjab University. It requires one post from principal and assistant professor in education for Punjabi, Hindi, English, maths, science, commerce, and physical education, political science, history, computer. Okay, each two on regular or else the ad hoc basis. So qualification and salary, everything as per the Punjabi University or else the UGC or NCT, you have to apply within 21 days, guys. So you have to send the copies of testimonials to the college and Dean Colleges Development Council, Punjabi University, Patiala by the registered post. And here the contact number is given here. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, you may contact this provided number, guys. Fine. And coming to the next one is, it is Manier College of Computer and Management. So from this one, wanted the applications are invited for the following post of one principal, full-time, clear vacancy. So you may check down here, computer application for UG 20 post are there, assistant professor vacancies, these are full-time, and information technology 1 and commerce BBA, BCCA as well as the computer science. Fine. So these are the vacancies here. And the essential qualifications, eligibility, master's degree with 55% of marks in the concerned subject, and the candidate must have definitely NET or SLET or PhD degree must be there. And the application may be sent to the president or secretary of the management for the post of principal and to the principal for the post of assistant professor on the address of college on or before 15th June 2021, along with the crossed postal order or else a demand draft of 100 rupees drawn in the favor of principal and certified copies of the relevant certificates towards substantial of eligibility. So if you want to get the more details regarding this one, you may visit this official website, guys, that is maniercollege.ac.in. Right. So total, these are the different vacancies notification, guys. So you may please check down. So 1 as 2, 3, 4, 5 and total 6 vacancies, 6 different colleges. The multiple vacancies are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. Okay, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.